you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a rose gold smoky cut crease for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly say, if you guys hear the fan in the background, I'm sorry. It's pretty warm still and I don't have air conditioning in my house, so if I'm gonna have this big ass light on, I need the fan in the background to cool me down. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. So starting out, I'm going to be using my Tatcha Silk Primer, and they recommend rubbing it a little between your fingers, kind of warming up the product, and then placing it on. Tap it into the area where my pores are the largest. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I have been loving this foundation. I went and bought it after I got my little tester that you guys saw in my last video. I told them what shade I had originally been matched to, and they told me that was too light. So when they rematched me, they matched me to Y25. This does look like it's just like one shade too dark, possibly, but I definitely feel like this one matches me a lot better than the other little sample I got did. So today is Labor Day, and my plans for today include going and checking out all the sales going on. I want to go check out Bath and Body Works especially because today they are having a sale where all their candles are $10. Fun little fact, I'm a tad bit of a candle hoarder, just a little bit. Bake a little bit using my Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to go ahead and use the Carly Bible palette today from BH Cosmetics. I'm using my Smashbox lid primer in the shade Light. This is my go-to always. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade and we're going to use this as our transition right there. Just blending this all out. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right next to the other one we used. Going in with a little bit smaller of a blending brush. We're just putting that directly into our crease. Go ahead and take this shade now. I switched to a different blending brush. And I'm just going to keep that right in the outer crease. So I do want to put a little bit of black on the outer corner just to deepen it up and give it a little bit more drama. So I'm going to go ahead and take the City Mini palette by Maybelline. This is the one they did with Shayla, and I'm going to go ahead and take that black head and put that exactly where I want it. And we're just keeping this really low in the outer corner like that. I'm going to take that blending brush we used before and just kind of connect it all together. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light. I'm just taking a little flat brush and I'm going to put it right there. I bring this up a tiny bit above where my actual crease is. I'm only taking it about halfway on the eye like that. I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue and put that exactly where we're going to be putting it, just right over where we cut the crease. And take another flat brush that I have. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Wanderlust. It's such a pretty color, like a rose gold if you will. And we're just going to go ahead and take a little bit from the brush and put that directly onto the eye. I don't know why I don't use this shade more. It's so pretty. Bring it right up to where we cut that crease. With this shade, I'm not taking any extra eyeshadow on it. I'm just going to blend out this area first a little bit. I'll take the first blending brush we used for that transition shade. I'm just going to blend everything out. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush all that bakage away. And then I'm going to take a small little angled brush like that. I'm going to go in with this highlight shade right here from the Carly Bible palette. And we're going to highlight our inner corner with that one. And then I'm going to go in with this straight edge brush. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Put that on our lower lash line. And we're going to go back in with a little pencil brush like that. Just like the one we used earlier. We're going to go in with a transition. With my tried and true tattoo liner by Kat Von D. And we are going to do a wing. Now we're going to go ahead and do our brows using the Precisely My Brow pencil. I just totally forgot how much I loved this guy when I used it, and I was like, well, let's try again. So I just go ahead and line the lower part of my brow like that, and then I go ahead and line the upper part of my brow. I just go ahead and do little hair-like strokes anywhere that I feel like is sparse, and then we blend it out. And that's how I've been doing my brows. Go in with my butter bronzer because this is just my fave. And I'm just going to take a big brush like this. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the face, forehead. And we're going to take the shade Skillful. Is that one? Yeah, Skillful right here. Then going back in with the Carly Bible palette, go ahead and take this highlight shade right here. We're just going to dip into that. And we're going to highlight our face. Cupid's bow, the nose. And then going in with that angled brush again, we're going to go back in with the shade we used for our inner corner. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight right there on my brow bone. So we're going to go in with Bestie, even though we used this last time. It's just my all-time favorite, okay? And it goes with every look. It's my favorite nude. Oh my gosh, you guys, we almost forgot to do mascara. I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. This is another one that they did with Shayla. I'm going to go ahead and just do my lashes because I almost forgot. Use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray because I love this one. Then we're going to go ahead and take our hair down. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys like this look. If you do, please go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below. And if you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I always love new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!